This onion can grow into a new plant. Let's find out how. Materials are onion, knife, clear plastic pot, plastic tray, shovel, and garden soil. First, take the onion and cut the top portion. Be careful while cutting, or ask a parent to help you. Peel the outer layers. Now our onion is ready to plant. Meanwhile, let's fill the pot with soil. Just enough to cover 3/4 of the pot. Now let's make a hole in the soil, right in the middle, deep enough for our onion to fit. Let's place the bottom part of the onion into the hole. But wait, we don't cover it all the way. Let's leave the top part peeking out like this. Last step, let's give it some water. Just enough to make the soil nice and moist. Here's the important part, friends. Let's put the pot in a sunny spot. Let's check it every now and then, and water only when the soil feels dry. It's day 3, and tiny leaves are starting to come out. Day 6, the leaves continue to grow. It's day 9. Look, there are more leaves and they are growing taller. And that's how we grow an onion. Super easy, right? Use onion leaves as garnish for soups, noodles, and rice dishes, or stir fry into sauces for mild savory flavor.